Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to install DirectX graphics tools in Windows 10 and Windows 11. For install this feature, go to the start menu and select settings or click in these icons. I type in search bar settings, left click or hit enter. In this window, select this option, scroll down and go to apps, one click, and select apps and features. One click, select optional features and select in the new window, see optional feature history or add a feature, and browse or scroll down and browse graphics tools or type graphics tools and check or mark this option and select install, left click and wait a moment. With the process ending, show this option in installed features and receive this message installed. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you help this video for you. And sorry for my English. Don't forget to subscribe. To apply the change, I will recommend restart your PC. Go to the start menu and select restart. And see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.